Today we have a 2012 Ford Fusion SEL with a 2.5 motor. The mirror on the driver's side has been damaged. We're going to show you how to remove it and install a new one. As you can see, we said we're going to replace the driver's side. As you can see, it's got issues. Don't know what the heck they hit or what happened, but it's actually, this was supposed to be painted white, but it's missing that, and it's not working very well. So a lot of states, it's mandatory that you have your windshield not be cracked and this be functional. So we're going to replace it. To remove this, just pull here. No reason to really pull the whole panel off. Pull that, pull it back like that. Reach up behind this and just pop this off. And you should be able to pull it right out of the way like that, where you can access your 3 11s. Unplug that right there. Next thing we do is remove the 3 11s. You can either use like a gear wrench, or I'm just going to use this quarter drive with 11 on it. Take it out so far, each one of them. You want to be careful you don't drop the nuts down, of course. I'm going to take the 2 bottom ones off first, once they're finger loose, and then I'll do the top one last. Switched. You don't want to go too far because it'll drop off and you got to take the panel off, which is not the end of the world, but you don't want to do it if you don't have to. Okay, you can tell that one's loose. And this keeps switching. That's wrong with this whole thing. All right. Peel this back, take these 2 fingers, take this off like that. Do not drop it. There's one, like that. Okay, nice and gently. We'll do the same thing the last one and remove the mirror. We were having a hard time finding this part. Well, for first thing, you can see it came off hard. It was damaged. So when you went to pull it off, that clip was catching, which is not normal, but when they get destroyed like that, sometimes they come off hard. We could not get this exact one because it's discontinued through Ford. This had blind spot, heated, and all that good stuff. But Ford gave us the number from this one. So you can say they look alike a little, but they're supposed to plug in and work. So we're going to try this one. First thing, you start off taking these off like that and just put these in the hole, line it up. Once you get started like that, I'm going to get one of the nuts on there just to hold it in place. Get that one. Start this one. I'm going to torque this down a little. Do it nice and even. It should, like I said, if you pull back on this, you can get one in there. If you don't have if you got bigger tools like a 3/8 or something, you might want to use a 11. It's only plastic, so you don't want to get bonsai on this thing. Just use your 1/4 inch instead of a 3/8, which fits better anyway. Snug enough. You can see by tightening it down like that, it pulled it flush against there to give you a good seal. Next thing you do is plug this in. Listen for it to click like that. And we'll install this panel right here. You got this dowel, make sure that this is straight. Once you get that dowel lined up, you just clip it in place like that. Last thing we do, smack that right there. And that's all it takes to install a mirror on a 2012 Ford Fusion SEL with a 2.5 motor.